We're gonna come in here, the 10 of us, and eat some food. Looks really good, and having 10 people here, so you're amazing. Appreciate you. All right.
Listen for the storm. Hear the difference in the wind. When dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away when the hurricane comes. Well, I'm the only island in the way.
Well, we are now in Chama, New Mexico. We're gonna actually come here. We're gonna eat Elkhorn restaurant here. So we're gonna come in here, the 10 of us, and eat some food. Looks really good, so we're gonna see how it rolls, and I'll let everybody know. I'll just do some images of the food too as well, so you can see that. All right, here we go.
Elkhorn Cafe.
Elkhorn Cafe.
We should have done it when we had the food first.
Well, I know, but they didn't want me to record them, so it's already recording us. But yeah, so we're at Elkhorn Cafe here in Chama,
Chama, New Mexico.
Chama, New Mexico. It is fantastic. If you get a chance to stop by here, it is kind of a junction point over to Pagosa Springs.
Yep.
And it's great food. Awesome, fantastic food. And the service, spectacular. You guys are amazing. So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is her mom's place. So how long has it been here?
My mom took it in '94.
Oh my goodness, you've been here a long time.
A long time. And
Okay.
she bought it about 17 years ago.
Oh my goodness, well, it is fantastic. You guys have an amazing place, so thank you so much for
Thank
having
you.
us show up kind of unexpected and having 10 people here, so you're amazing. Appreciate you.
Anytime.
All right, we're gonna head up to Pagosa Springs. Thank you so much for joining.
Oh, close enough.
And you, Bobby, guaranteed you're henpecked. Right? Your wife wears the pants.
You know my wife?
And you anal retentive wimp. Wow, you're good.
What color am I thinking of?
Shut up!
Well, we are back, and I have my best friend here with me, Coach
What's up?
Edwards.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah, man, we're excited. This is a cool video. We're heading up to Chama. I know we got a lot of comments on our previous video with the coach having some toothpaste issues.
Man, hey, it's tough. It's early in the morning. If I'm not into one cup of coffee yet, it's gonna be hard for me to function.
Yeah.
As I can promise you. But yeah, I was reaching in for that little bitty deal at Crest toothpaste or whatever we had to travel with, and I grabbed some I don't know, some kind of what was it? Neosporin. Yeah, Neosporin tube, and I put it on my toothbrush. And
It had to be the best tasting toothpaste.
well, you know, maybe next year they'll come out with like a ranch flavor.
A ranch flavor Neosporin? That would be great.
What fat kid doesn't like ranch? right?
If I could find that, I'm going to buy that for your Christmas gift somehow, some way. That'll be
Ranch
awesome.
flavored
That is
Neosporin.
funny.
But yeah, I had a sore on my leg, man, so I was kind of doctored up because I knew we were going to go. We're going to Pagosa Springs.
Yeah, we're heading
getting
that
in the
way
hot
right now. We're
springs.
going to be there
Yeah.
pretty soon.
Yeah, I didn't know how safe that was going to be for an open wound. so I was Neospored up, man. So yeah, but it works a lot better on the wound than it does
Then
on
in your teeth. Yeah, for sure. It keeps it much cleaner that way. Well, we just got done eating at Elkhorn Cafe, and I know I was talking to Diana about the chips.
Right.
The chips are phenomenal. She said she ate 5 bags,
Yeah.
5 baskets of
Yeah,
chips. I
yeah,
think is what it was.
and the salsa and everything was just fresh and good.
It was so good.
It's such a great, just a mom and pop restaurant, and it was just awesome, good, and the service was top shelf, man.
Yeah.
Everybody, they were just so kind and so considerate.
Such a
gracious
great
over there.
place.
Yeah, man.
You know, it's always kind of hard too because there's 10 of us. So when we stop at a
Yeah.
place, right? Like it's all of a sudden
Yeah.
there's a bunch of us walking in, so it's not like
Right.
you can just kind of immediately get served.
So
They did
pushing
it.
tables together,
They did
setting
it.
chairs up.
Did us right. They did
got
an
our order,
amazing
got us
job.
in and out. But yeah, I loved it. I had some kind, they call it a fireman's burger or something, but it was an open faced sandwich with chilies, hatch chilies on top. Oh my God.
Yeah, it was so good.
Yeah.
It was so
if you
good.
had put that on top of your head, your tongue would beat your brains out trying to get to it. That's how good it was.
Oh, there's our Steveism. We have it. I got it after this video clip. I'm going to have to write that one down because we got another one. So I love
Oh,
it.
super good though.
was
Really
fantastic.
good, man. What a great trip, man. And this part was definitely part. You know, how do you pick a favorite spot?
Yeah, it's so hard. But
Yeah.
and then we're going to come up. You kind of saw it before in the cabin at Pagosa. We get to stay there for 2 nights, and then as we talked about, we're going to go to the hot springs too as well. So a lot to cover in Pagosa. This might be kind of a 2 or 3 part series, depending upon how much video that we have. So we're going to be excited to be able to bring that to you. We have some cool drone footage coming up here very shortly, and so please stay tuned and
Like and subscribe.
Just you wait to listen for the storm. Hear the difference in the wind. When dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away when the hurricane comes in. Well, I'm the only island in the way, but I was born to fight the wind and rain. Sometimes a man will keep himself in shame, mask a painful past he overcame. Oh yes, oh, well, you've been steady, building steam like a thunderhead, armed and ready with the lies you overheard. Well, strike me down like a lightning in the dark. Deliver me the fate I must deserve. Oh, don't you? I just wait and listen for the storm. You can hear the difference in the wind.